Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UVXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks, as we're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, maps out, answering a very logical question, quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that, this chart has made a very nice move in the past couple of days. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago and then where it ultimately closed today, the price has made a nice move. And, any rational person is going to, verify, yeah, that's made a nice move. But that does lead to the very logical, very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area, I know I scrunch up the chart, but I want to provide plenty of context right here at the 1650 mark. Why is 1650 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $16.50. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the pullback actually continues some more and the price does something like this. Not saying it will, but let's just pretend, for example's sake, bounces around and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have a base of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps that are continuing to progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward over time. And in this situation, I am defining and quantifying the phrase make progress forward as $16.50. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not going to touch on those because in my mind, top priority right now is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases. And if, like I said, the price can indeed build a higher base, then maybe this move that we've seen here in the volatility over the past couple of days has some legs behind it. But obviously, if the price just crashes back down through 1650 and literally puts the price right back inside of that range, well, I would just consider the past couple of days a simple dead cat bounce. But only time will tell, so we'll see how the story continues to unfold. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.